It's a really interesting question as to what are the game-changing drugs. And it comes down to a number of classes. And so the IMiD drugs, it's all one class, they behave differently. So thalidomide, lenalidomide, pomalidomide, they're real game-changing drugs. The proteasome inhibitors, the class leader or the first in class was bortezomib, carfilzomib, now ixazomib. We had the antibodies last year with daratumumab, anti-CD38, and we have two new very potent classes that are going to join those three game changers, which are the CAR T cells and the bispecific antibodies. So it's amazing that, you know, after those classes of drugs were first introduced, that then there's a change in technology, and actually there are two very, very exciting forms of treatment that are coming down the pipeline in the very near future, and all the indications are that they will work. And so CAR T cells directed against BCMA in the kind of pivotal trial are more active than even daratumumab was at the same stage. So I think we really do have reasons for being optimistic that those are going to make it for multiple myeloma. And our challenge, though, is you have many new drugs. It's the drug development process that gets complex, because there's no doubt for low-risk patients we've made huge steps forward, and median survivals of maybe 10 years or even longer for a proportion of patients. So you can't introduce new drugs for those patients. So we're almost forced to take this intellectual leap of splicing and dicing myeloma into its constituent parts, and then optimizing the drugs for those constituent parts.